In a magical, sun-dappled forest lived Lama, a curious squirrel. She loved to explore every hidden path. One warm afternoon, while searching for nuts, she discovered something extraordinary, a small, glowing golden key. Lama, her eyes wide with wonder, carefully picked it up. What secrets could this magical key unlock? She tried it on an ancient, hollow tree, hoping for a hidden door, but the key didn't fit. Next, a giant, colorful mushroom caught her eye. Perhaps it was a secret entrance? Still, no luck. Even a tiny, ornate box remained stubbornly shut. Lama felt a pang of disappointment. Realizing the key wasn't meant to open anything, Lama returned to where she found it. With a gentle paw, she placed the shimmering key back among the fallen leaves. Suddenly, with a soft, magical shimmer, the key slowly vanished, leaving only a faint glow. Lama smiled, a quiet understanding dawning. Not everything we find is meant to be used, but simply appreciated.